Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to use floor plan drawing tools. Let's try it together. Enter the interior design, select Drawings, Floor Plan Drawings. In the left panel, you can adjust the color style, background, etc. Select your favorite style. Click the Color Styles card to switch the color combinations. Select your favorite background. Modify the project information. In the right panel, you can set the drawing size scale. After the adjustment is completed, click Download in the upper right corner. You can choose to download the image or PDF format. The Export folder will appear in the upper right. You can click to open it directly and view the exported files. That's all, thanks for watching.